Hello from the Bureau with your weekend weather update. And it will be cold, wet and windy across southeastern Australia, but elsewhere it's looking calm but remaining cooler across northern parts of the country. Starting off first with the synoptics from Saturday morning, and we can see that the focus will be across southeastern parts of Australia with a cold front and number of troughs pushing through. So if you'll be in New South Wales, Victoria or South Australia, be sure to check out our latest severe weather update, which is live now. And these systems will bring plenty of strong wind gusts, including damaging winds, as well as rain, local hail, abnormally high tides, and plenty of snow. And having a look at the snow, the coldest air will move over on Saturday morning across Victoria and New South Wales, and that's when we see the snow level fall to around 900 metres. So that means plenty of snow for the alpine ski resorts, but snow is also possible for places like the Grampians, the Central Ranges of Victoria, the Central Tablelands in New South Wales, and through the day, the colder air will settle across the northern tablelands of New South Wales. It will be mostly dry across the coast of New South Wales, including for Sydney, but elsewhere we are expecting to see plenty of showers. So for Canberra, Melbourne and Adelaide, showers through much of Saturday, really only easing off from the afternoon and the evening. Most of those showers will skirt around Hobart, and out west, Perth will start the day mostly dry, but showers will increase through the day. For the rest of the country, we're under the influence of a broad ridge of high pressure. So what that means is that we will see plenty of clear blue skies. Into Sunday now, and we'll start to see that system push out into the Tasman Sea, and by the morning, most of the showers will contract to coastal areas and it will be a lot calmer for New South Wales. But later in the day, particularly into the afternoon, we'll see another cold front come up from the southwest, and that will brush the south coast of South Australia, Victoria and Tasmania. So for Melbourne and Hobart, we'll see another burst of showers coming through later in the day, and we will see also showers continuing across southwest WA, including for Perth. Elsewhere though, clear skies continuing. And having a look at some of the maximum temperatures, first for Saturday, and we'll see maximum temperatures of between 2 to 6 degrees below average, particularly cold across the southeast of the country. And some of these numbers will be quite deceiving, and that's because of the wind chill. The wind will make it feel a lot colder than it actually is, especially in Sydney, Melbourne and Adelaide. Quite cool also for Western Australia, and after a cold start across Northern Australia, we will start to see temperatures climbing compared to the last few days. In Queensland, looking at temperatures in the mid-20s for central parts of the state, and up into the high 20s and low 30s for the top end and also for the Kimberley. On Sunday, we do see temperatures start to rise across the southeast, but that cold air will push into southeast Queensland, 21 degrees in Brisbane and slightly cooler along the coast. Elsewhere though, not much change from Saturday, but for many people across the southeast, the wind chill factor will definitely be less on Sunday. So with quite a cold weekend ahead across the southeast of the country, and also quite clear skies across the north, make sure you have the latest information from the Bureau's website or social media, and please have a safe weekend.